love of mine. Someday you will die, but I'll be close behind. Follow you into the dark. No blinding light or tunnels to gates of white. Just our hands clasped so tight, waiting for the hint of a spark. If heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied, illuminate the nodes on their vacancy signs. If there's no one beside you when your soul embarks, then I will follow you into the dark. Catholic school, as vicious as Roman rule. I had my knuckles bruised by a lady in black who held my tongue as she told me, son, fear is the heart of love. So I never went back. If heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied, illuminate the nodes on their vacancy signs. If there's no one beside you when your soul embarks, then I will follow you into the dark. You and me, we've seen everything to see, from Bangkok to Calgary. And the soles of our shoes are all worn down. The time for sleep is now. There's nothing to cry about, 'cause we'll hold each other soon in the blackest of rooms. If heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied, illuminate the nodes on their vacancy signs. If there's no one beside you when your soul embarks, then I will follow you into the dark. I'll follow you into the dark.
Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars.
就是比如说，我们以前可能会更在意说我在网上有一个网站或者说有个账号然后我有多少照片在上面，有多少人给我点赞，或者有多少人转发有多少人评论。但我觉得，因为
Darling, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words,
无非就是炒，那很容易受潮，这书一潮就完蛋了会发黄，会皱起来，对吧？各种各样的问题，所以你还要想着怎么去存放。总之就是买了也不省心，然后也要想着去怎么去好好的，就是把它放好这也是问题。然后你还舍不得看，甚至还戴个手套看各种。但我从来不会，我很少会戴手套去看书，因为我觉得你用双手去触摸那个纸张的感觉才是你想要的那个，不然你花这这么多钱，就是讲一下这个对页之间的关系。我们来进入这个川内伦子的分析。好，我们先来看看川内伦子的这本作品，名字叫 AILA 阿离。川内伦子呢
There songs, a million songs that say I love you. But you know I don't believe them, because they always missing you. And I just wanna give you something that belongs to you. That you can hide inside a pocket, you can always take around with you. And I got a sad song for every moment that I missed you. And I got a good one for every hour I'm with you. Oh, give me some sweet strings for every moment that I dance with you. 1,000 pounds for holding joy, kissing you. And then a million times I told you that you brought grace into my life, and I was born again the day that I met you. But words are not enough, so let me treat you with a small song. You can sing it in a song, or you can whistle while you're driving